Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MileIQ export to QuickBooks for deduction documentation, full guide step by step clearly. To install MileIQ export to QuickBooks for deduction documentation, begin by ensuring you have both applications set up. Open your MileIQ app on your device. Log into your MileIQ account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Reports section within the dashboard menu. Select the Export option found in the Reports section. From the Export options, choose QuickBooks. You may be prompted to ensure your QuickBooks account is connected. Follow the prompts to connect your QuickBooks account if it's not already linked. Once connected, select the date range for the mileage you wish to export. Review the mileage log to ensure accuracy for claim purposes. After reviewing, click on the Export button. MileIQ will generate a file compatible with QuickBooks. Download this file to your computer. Open QuickBooks on your computer. Navigate to the File menu in QuickBooks. Select Import and then choose IIF Files. Locate the downloaded MileIQ file on your computer. Select the file and confirm the import to QuickBooks. Review the imported data in QuickBooks to ensure everything appears correctly. Make any necessary adjustments or additions within QuickBooks. Once verified, save your changes. Your MileIQ mileage should now be successfully exported to QuickBooks for deduction documentation. You're now ready to claim your deductions accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.